today we're gonna convert a freezer to a refrigerator. To convert a freezer to a refrigerator, you need this guy, which is a digital temperature control. And I got this one from eBay. And basically what it is this one have a thermocouple that measures the temperature, and based on that turn on and off the freezer. You're gonna need also a power outlet, which is gonna use this guy. And this guy I'm gonna put in the digital temperature control. I'm gonna put inside this box. So I bought this electric box, and I bought a plate to put it on front. So I'm gonna put this guy inside, and the plate on front. I'm gonna have to open a hole and put that guy there. And also you need the thermocouple, which I have it here, and cables, which is I have it here. And a good cable, which is I'm gonna have to use this guy. There's plenty cable here to do the whole thing. So let's start. First, we're gonna figure out the schematic of this guy. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take this guy, the digital temperature controller here. Now you got the outlet. In the outlet you have the big, the small, and the ground. So this is black, this is white, and this is ground. So number one is go to black, number two jump with 3. 3 is black, 4 is white, and this goes to the AC. And this Y from here is going to connect to number 4, and 7 and 8 to the thermocouple. And this is going to go inside the freezer. And in the plug you're going to have the ground, then you're going to these two grounds together. So again, this is the Y. This is, so here we go. This is the Y, this is the black, and this is the ground. So the white is this guy here, you connect to 4. The black you connect to 2. The black you connect to 1. The 2 you connect, jump it with 3, and from 3 you take the black to the plug. So you're looking at my power cable, if I can find it. Ready with my power cable. Oh, it's here. So my power cable have the white and the black, and the green is the ground. White, black, and green is the ground. So the black connect to 1, 2, jump to with 3, 3 goes the black of the power cable. On the 4 goes the white of power cable, and get another white. It goes to the plug, and the green and greens are connected together on the power plug. And that's it. 5 and 6 not used, and 7 and 8 is for the thermocouple, and this is the guy who's going to put inside the freezer. So let's do it. First we're going to remove everything here. And get this out here. First, figure out how we're going to fix this inside here. You can see it's not touching all the way in the bottom because I have this. I guess it's for the screw. I don't need that, so we're going to cut it. Let's cut the bottom of this guy right away. And now, yeah, it goes all the way in, so it's perfect. So the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take this guy, get rid of this, and see how this plate behaves here. So this plate with these two should be ready to go here, perfect. So now what I have to do is open the window for this guy, so it should be easy enough. Now I gotta figure out the dimensions. Right, so pretty much done with this guy, and this goes really good there. And now we can put inside this and hold it with 2 screws and pretty nice looking. So now that we have this already done, and it's like this, so we're gonna put the 2 locking mechanisms that this will come with it. I think it's, yeah, it's like this. So you put it one here and the other here. You see? There you go. Oh, put it in the wrong direction. Okay. That's it. Now, cable time. So this is the point that you want to figure out how you're going to put this holding this. So we're going to put the pin underneath. So we're going to hold it here, and this is going to be on the top like this. Or you're going to want to put it like this. Actually, I'm going to do it like this. So this is going to go like this. And we're going to pass the wire through one hole. So we're going to open one of these guys. I'm going to break one of the hole here. Okay. And we're going to pass the wire through this hole now. Nice. Okay. Just let me fix a little bit the sharpie. I don't want anything sharpie here. Okay. So we take our wire and we're going to pass it through there. See how this works. So I have this rubber thing that I'm going to pass through this wire, and voila, it's right there. And I'm going to break the other one. I'm going to break this one too. and this is going to go out through here. It would be nice to have another of this, but I don't have it, so don't count. So this is the same wire. The wires already have the plug on this side, and I pass through here and go around and I put it back on here. And now we're going to put this plug on this wire. So first thing, get the screwdriver and remove this guy and remove this guy. And after that, I'm gonna open this guy through here. Okay, so that's it. We have here all the connections we need. So we're going to pass the cable through here first, and we're going to cut this cable the same distance, everybody, which is pretty easy. Where's my... Got it. Same distance, everybody. We're just going to peel the cables. Okay, let's drill. And just winding the cable here, you can see. Now, the thing here is that if you want to make sure you put this cable here, and now that will tell you exactly which one is white, black. So we take the meter and the Y would be, in this case, this guy. Already connected on the back here, and with the meter you measure it here. So this is the Y. So we're gonna open this guy here and put the Y there. It's a little too much. There you go. And the black, you can test it. So this is the black. Add a little bit. It's gonna come out too much. And this is the ground or green wire, which is no doubt about it, will be this guy. If I can get it move out of the way. There you go. There you go, there you have it. You can see it there. So right now these two are connected together. So now we're going to finish the whole thing by putting the cover. Okay, now we screw this guy. Screw the other guy. And finally, the last one. And now you want to put to hold the cable right here, and the side right here, and we're going to put the two screws to hold the cable in place. The other screw on the other side. Sure that so we'll hold there. You don't want to tight too much, but you don't want to loosen it, so make sure that doesn't move, and that's it. So you got the wire with the connection already done. It goes around, the wire goes here, and then it goes back in there. So what we're going to do now, we're going to break the loop. So first you have to determine how much distance you need from the box to this. So I'm going to put a little bit more. Got plenty of wire here. So I think this is a good distance. Now here we're going to peel the wire. So I'm going to peel the wire here. I'm going to peel the wire and expose the wires that are inside. That's what I really want to do at this moment right now. Okay. So you see, remove the cover, all this stuff they have here. So so I can see the wires. So we're gonna do a little bigger. I think it's not big enough. Alright, it's much better now. So now I can see the 3 wires there. The green, we're gonna leave it alone. Don't even touch it. Now we have to wait, we have to work with the black and the white. So the white one, so what we're gonna do here is the black, we're gonna cut it in half. And now the white one, we're not gonna cut it, we're just gonna flip it in half and peel the wire right there and remove. So you can see I peeling just the insulation without cutting the wire. Make sure that everything is fine. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna make this and we flip the wire, and this is what we make here. If the camera can show you, that's what I make right there, that type of connection. So this is the one that's going to go to the white one, and the white one is supposed to be number 4. So this is the one we put in number 4. I'm gonna open this guy more, and that goes to number 4. You can see the white one, I didn't break the white wire. I just open the insulation, remove the insulation, and I put the 2 wires together there. Now we got 2 blacks now. When we did the whole thing, we cut the black in half. So now we have 2 blacks. You can see here I have 2 blacks. This is my 2 blacks. One goes to the freezer, and one is the one that brings the AC. So I have to peel these 2 wires. and peel the other wire, the other black wire. Alright, so the black that goes to the freezer is gonna go to number 1 on this guy here, on the thermocouple, on the thermostat. So it goes to number 1 on the thermostat, and we screw it in. Now it's time to do the jumper. We need 2 blacks to do the jumper. So let me find out another black wire. Give me a few seconds. I don't have a black wire hanging here with me. I'll be back in few. Alright, I got this black wire and I'm going to use it to make a jumper. So I peel this guy, and it's pretty short jumper, it's not that long. And that's it. So this is the guy, and these two, they're gonna go together as a single wire. So I put these 2 black together, and I'm gonna put it on number 3. Gonna make sure that it's pretty tight here, so I open this guy all the way up. Not working yet. Oh, shit. Alright, so got the 2 wires together there. You can see it there. See if I can show you. And the 2 black together there. And hopefully this black are not hold strong enough. Gotta find more with these 2 guys here. Give me a second here. Alright, so now the other end of the black is a little too long. We're going to put it to number 2. And that's it. I got everything done already. So I got AC line coming through this wire, goes through here, and the wire from AC line goes to number 4, and the black from AC line go to number 3, and there is a jumper between 3 and 2 black, and the black is coming out from here. Now it's a tough, this guy, but it's getting there. There you go. Alright, this I need to put a strain relief on this guy, so what I'm gonna do, to avoid that somebody pull this wire, so this wire is nobody gonna be able to pull this wire because the strain relief, and then when I'm gonna put these two wires together. The thermocouple, which is this guy, and the wires of the thermocouple on this, for my case, is not long enough, so I'm gonna extend the wires. So I have the other wires on here. Okay, so this is my wires of the thermocouple. I'm gonna pass it through the box, and I'm gonna connect it to the thermocouple. So the wires of the thermocouple go to 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 is gonna have the thermocouple right there. Seven and 8. Okay, so we got 7 and 8 with the thermocouple, and everybody else there. So now we're gonna put it back inside the whole thing here. Alright, now that we have all this together, we're just gonna type all these wires on one side here, so nobody pulls the wire and destroy anything. I'm gonna do this. It's pretty straightforward. There you go. Make sure that I cut this. And that's it. Now, on my case, I'm gonna extend the thermocouple. So I already peeled the wires here and shrink. Put it through the cable. Okay. Now we take. Okay. So connect these two wires. And we put it like this. And connect these two wires. And you put it like this. Now we put the heat shrink in place. Should be easy enough. Give me a hard time the heat shrink now. So when I go, finally went through. Okay. And heat it up. That's it. Let's put this to AC line. There you go. It's up and running. Say 60 degrees. And now this is the thermocouple. This is a long wire now for me. That's going to go to the freezer. And this is the AC. And I'm going to put a lamp for testing now. I'm going to put this lamp here. Alright, so if I lower the temperature, press set, lower the temperature to 57 and press set, and the lamp going on. Now if I press set and I put it to 61, and I press it, the lamp went off. So it's up and running perfect. So it's time to put it on the freezer. Right, here is my thermostat mounted already. So here is my freezer and the sensor, you can see it right there. So all I have to do is set it out the right temperature. So I go set and I press, put 38 and do set, and here we go. My freezer is in 51 right now, and it's gonna go down to 38, and once it's in 38 should be able to put my food inside there. And this is the conversion from freezer to refrigerator. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye. And that's it. That's how I got the freezer to refrigerator. Got the thermostat right here. I can see the temperature all the time. And I'm not doing any modification on the freezer. The last time I did a modification was on the freezer. This time there's no modifications on the freezer. And the freezer is ready to go. And it's getting cold already. Have a good one. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time. Bye bye.